Once upon a time, there was a girl. She was a long-time homemaker, loving wife, and amazing mother of 5. She was a woman of many talents, like thousands of other women out there, but she did not want to keep her talents to herself anymore, so she decided on a whim. Well, not really on a whim. She was methodical in making her decisions, so much so that it took her 3 years to do so. But finally, one day, she created a YouTube channel where she could share her many talents, like thousands of others out there, with the world. It has been said that she had very few expectations when she set out on this long journey. However, much to her surprise, there were actually some people, very kind people, out there that really wanted to see what this woman of many talents, like so many others out there, had to offer. This encouraged her to keep moving forward on her long journey through the valleys of YouTubeville. So she kept creating very cute things that she could display in her home or sell on her website. The kind people of YouTubeville were accepting of her and kept encouraging her to continue onward in her journey. Now, several videos later, she has made some new friends, has gained lots of confidence in herself, and with only one little birdie left in the nest, has found a renewed purpose in her life as a full-time homemaker. She would like to thank all of you so very much for all the kindness you have shown her, and hopes that you will continue watching as she takes a stroll down the streets of 2022 while reminiscing on these past several months of her YouTubeville journey.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It is so good to see you. I'm excited to spend some time together today. I hope you all had an amazing Christmas. I hope it was sweet and special and just filled with lots of magical moments with friends and family. I'm really looking forward to spending some time together today. This is going to be a fun episode. Y'all, it is the last video of 2022 that I will be putting out. Can you believe that this year has almost come to an end? It just doesn't even seem possible. I feel like this year has just flown by. It's been filled with so many fun moments and so many fun memories have been made in this year. So with that said, we are going to do a little something different with today's episode. We are going to take a little walk down memory lane and just take a look back at our entire 2022 year together. We have done so many things together this year. It's just amazing. We have crafted, we have constructed, we've DIY'd, we've baked, we've cooked, we've built, we've decorated. We have just done so many things together and created so many fun memories together. So I think it's going to be really fun to take a look back at this past year and just be reminded of all the special moments that we've had together and look forward to so many new ones in the coming 2023 year. So the first thing I thought it would be fun to just take a look back at is just all the fun, crafty DIY projects that we have worked on together. So I hope you guys enjoy this little walk down memory lane. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. It was really fun for me to put this together for y'all.
Our journey began in early spring with some adorable Easter crafts. We embarked on some framed art, upcycled some household materials into a delightful can of carrots, did some woodcraft, and had fun getting creative with some really old spindles. As we journeyed on through spring, we got creative with vinyl, made some fun spring florals, and some darling little coasters for our spring tablescapes. turned into early summer, and we had a lot of fun creating some nature-inspired pieces for our outdoor decor. From bumblebees to dragonflies, we bring lots of colorful whimsy to this crafty landscape. July brings on the summer heat filled with patriotic flair. We made firecrackers, flags, and stars, and things really heated up with some fiery applique techniques that sparked up our summer crafts. As summer turned to fall, we had fun playing with paints and glass, turning our projects into something spectacular with lots and lots of class. We turned jute into pumpkins, got crazy with embellishments, made darling little jack-o'-lanterns, and apples to last. The days got shorter and fall fades into winter, bringing all the magic of Christmas to our stunning little crafts. We made sleds, copper stars, gingerbread, and sweet little moose friends. We decked the halls with stockings and lights, creating holiday cheer and Christmas delights.
Of all the things that we've done together this year, I think all of our craft projects have probably been my absolute most favorite. I definitely enjoy crafting. I love to craft so much, and it has been so much fun for me to just look back at all the things we've made together, and oh my gosh, wow, we've made a lot of things together, y'all. There's been so many. Y'all will have to let me know, out of all these crafts that we've done together, what episodes were your favorite. We've also had a lot of fun decorating. We have decorated 4 seasons together. So that's been really special for me. Decorating is something that has always been a huge passion of mine. I have always loved just decorating my home and making my home a special place for my family to just come home to and to be home and know that when they're here, they are actually at home and they feel at home. And it's just a welcoming, inviting environment for my family. So it's been really fun for me to look back at the seasons of decorating together. I have especially enjoyed a lot of our big, huge DIY projects that Michael and I have worked on together. Y'all, he is such a trooper. He is so willing to just whip up things for me at a moment's notice. And I appreciate him so much. I think he's the real hero behind the scenes throughout this past year together. We've created a lot of fun things together. It's been special, it's been fun, and I am very appreciative and thankful for him and all his willingness and all of his hard work to just stand behind me in all my fun, crazy endeavors and ideas and you know, the whatnots. The hardest things I think for me about filming is probably doing the intros. And I do tend to record several of them over and over and over again before I feel like I got it just right. So I thought it might be kind of fun to share a few of those fun blooper moments with y'all. Okay, all right. Hey, that was just really stupid. Let's cut. Twixie, I need a script. Why does that sound so stupid? Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Okay. Well, you can do that too. Okay, so take two. My special friend and special guest and my amazing partner, Michael, who is going to join us.
Yes, I'm a special friend.
Well, he's a little more than that. Howdy, howdy, howdy. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, everybody. How are we doing? Today, I'm going to try very hard to look you straight in the eye the whole time. We'll see how that goes, because it's very, very awkward. Oh, okay. Oh, boy. It was... Blah, 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 blah. All right, guys. That about... Hope you're inspired to do some decorating for yourself. You know, to do some of your own decorating, to do some decorating to your home. Alrighty, friends, I think that is going to conclude our final episode of 2022. It has really been fun looking back through this year and seeing all the things that we've done together and seeing how far we've come as well. It's really been very special for me getting to know all of you through, just through the content that I share and reading your comments and some of the conversations that happen in the comments. It's really been special for me, and I've enjoyed these moments so much. I look very, very forward to creating just as many fun memories in 2023 together. I think it's going to be a fun year. I've already got some fun things planned for us, and Michael and I are already working on some more really big DIY projects for our home. So those will be fun to share with y'all, and it is always so much fun for me to take y'all along as we, embark on these journeys together, especially Michael and I's DIY projects, because we have so much fun DIYing together. It's something that I enjoy. I love working with him. He is so much fun to work with. We always have a good time, and we laugh so much when we're working together. So it's going to be so much fun to share all of those with y'all in the upcoming new year. Before I end this today, though, I do want to ask you guys one really big, important question. I would love it very, very much if y'all would leave down in the comments below for me things that you would enjoy seeing in this new year and this next year together. I mean, I'm here creating content for you guys after all. So I really would like to hear some of the things that you would enjoy seeing on my channel this year. So please take a moment to leave your thoughts and ideas in the comments down below. Alrighty, friends, that is going to conclude our 2022 year together. Thank you all so much for spending this year with me and for being here with me. I have truly enjoyed every single moment that we have had together, and I am so grateful and appreciative for all of you for, first of all, letting me into your lives and for supporting me on my channel. Y'all are just the absolute best. Thank you again from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate you all so very much. So I will see you again next week for our very first video of 2023. Until then, y'all take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.